Okay, everybody, as y'all well know, tore my car up weekend before last up at Northwest Florida. But anyway, hey, by the way, Project Rebuild already in action. Dirt Daddy on YouTube. I'm John Joyner. That's the Y2K20 car. The way things went, the boys went to Magnolia last Thursday. They left out 10 or 12, I don't know. I left out at 2. I drove up there and got 20 minutes from the track, and it rained out. Well, I had planned on coming home and working Friday. I worked Thursday. Come home, jumped in the van and took off, 2 o'clock. So I drove 8 hours, about 500 something miles round trip, and but I tried to come back home, got home by 11 o'clock Thursday night. Well, checked it, I went to work Friday, thought about going back up there, and checked the radar, scheduled to rain at 6 o'clock. Good rain at 6. So I didn't go. I watched it on Flow Racing, like the rest of y'all, and I wished I was there. But them boys rolled back in about daylight. But anyway, they didn't do nothing Saturday, and I kind of figured they may go to 411 or something, but I worked on this Friday. When I didn't go up there, I worked on the car. A few things, this, that, and other. But anyway, didn't get it. Here it is Monday. I went to Pensacola today, bought some tubing, built a T-bar for the front, and anyway, like I said, already in action. Come on, let's go. Let's get busy. Let's try not to put this shield out. Use it for safety glasses. I don't know about y'all, but a whiz wheel, I would use nothing but a D-Walk blade. May be some better ones, but a D-Walk won't come apart and hurt you. Hey, Nick, what going on? Said I'm doing your job, cutting and welding. Working on a race car. Look, I got that sheet of aluminum today. You got plenty going on? Alright, I'm here in the shop. Bye-bye. I'm gonna let him do a little aluminum welding on that race trailer. We're gonna build us a box, a rack for the fuel jugs and stuff. Gotta get that thing self-contained. It's gotta utilize every bit of space we got on it, don't we? But anyway, let's lay this down. Those sparks put that shield out, don't they? That looks good. That looks real good. This phone is driving me nuts, but it's work and everything else. I have to get back to work. Memorial Day weekend coming up, a lot of racing and other activities as our part of the country has been opened up. Knock, knock, knock. T-bar. Like I told y'all, we already in action. Watch your eyes, I forgot to tell y'all that. Hey, there's one thing about old JJ's Welding, Dirt Daddy. It might not be the prettiest in the business, but I can tell you what, it's stuck together. It ain't welded on one side. It will hold, is my point. I have found, y'all may not like this, if I paint this up real pretty and I put it on there, they'll probably tear it off next weekend. If I leave it rough and ready and rugged, it'll stay on there all doggone racing season. What do y'all think I need to do? Yep. Doing Joseph's work. He's good at this. That's no joke. Clean aluminum. Hood filler. I think I got a Kingdom Power Sports sticker just for this. You gotta have the Lord's hand on there. Keep them all going. Keep his hand in between me and them. Gotta have some help with that. Monday. There ought to be somewhere to go if we can get the old thing back together. Get my tires and wheels back. And boys of mine, they like the way they look. Started a parking lot in Pensacola today. Maybe Joseph will be in tomorrow. Maybe it won't rain. I think it's 80%. At least it's really sandy over there. If the asphalt plant had to be open, I think we could work. Somebody knocking. let's put a nail in it. Let's put a nail in it right there. While it's sitting there, I kind of like that. We ain't popping this rivet. We just gonna stick it in the hole. There. You know how it is. If you friggin', it'll bow up. But we're gonna do it. We're gonna nail it because it's laid pretty flush. So. That's where that goes. It may be too long. Maybe I'm on 6 feet. I don't know. Got our mark. Y'all my theory about this building that new body. Boy, look over there. I don't want them to look over there and say, "Ooh, get some of that." They gonna look over there and say, "Stay away from him." That'll be cool with me. That'll be cool with me. Well, that Rat Pack, they came by. They was hungry. We gotta eat. I said, well, if I worked like y'all, we wouldn't be going racing. You got to be performing to go racing. Michael come over here to check me out. I had to let him look at it. Michael, you get yours done?
We're getting close. Yeah, we're getting real close.
We all trying to race, ain't we?
One man team.
One man, ain't that the truth? The daggum Rat Pack, they come over here, stood around a minute. We hungry. We'll be right back. We made some headway. Done more than what I thought I was gonna do. Central time. We nicked up. Look at there, that Kingdom Power Sports sticker's going right there. I got one. I ain't changing that. It all fits. Ain't got but 2 races on it. Arrows up here. If they bend me over there again, they bend it. Ain't gonna worry about it. Alright, y'all. Y2K20 is close. You know what I say? Subscribe. Ding the bell. Don't miss nothing. We corny, but it's good.